While OCR, or being able to read the characters or numbers, is not a capability of the Inspector i40, if the application merely requires to verify certain numerical values or characters, it is still doable using the pattern tool from the Inspector i40. At the moment we are looking at a label from a standoff distance of about 170 millimeters, and the field of view, as you can see, across is about 65 millimeters. We will do our object locator around the barcode label, so that's what we will use as a reference object to always locate. And we will mask the middle area of the barcode because the barcode strips could be of various lengths or various width rather, and we don't want that to false trigger. We are merely interested in looking at the edges on the outside area. Once we are done with that, then we will insert some pattern tools, and to increase the robustness we won't use a single pattern tool, but instead we will use multiple pattern tools. Remember that with the Inspector i40 or with the Inspector Senses, you can have up to 32 detailed inspections for every reference object that you insert. So the reason behind creating multiple pattern is so that we can be able to detect smaller changes in characters. Once we have those patterns, I can go ahead and rename them to make it easier for us to see what the inspection results are coming about to be. And I will increase my percentage as well for about 69 or 70% for each one of these patterns that we are trying to inspect over here. And then we can go to the live image. So that's the current pattern. So you see a different label right there, and now we can see that the 10, the last two digits are different, so it fails on that one. It's very self-explanatory as far as what's happening on the screen now. Thank you for your attention.